Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the No Debt Allowed portfolio update, where all the companies in here have no debt. I have 6 positions total. I'm sorry if these updates are rather quick for the past week or two. I am very busy working overtime and some other stuff, and I just don't have a lot of time to make the videos. Plus, without me actually depositing into all of the taxable accounts, then there's not a lot of activity. So these videos are kind of boring, but if you're just interested in following the portfolio and seeing what the value is, then at least I'm giving you that information every week so you can see what's happening in each of these portfolios and see any changes that do happen and just follow along. Anyways, no debt allowed, currently at $239.19. I have $1.55 sitting in cash. There's been no deposits. We've only deposited $225 in here, so we're up $14.19, or 6.31%. Dividend changes, there was one dividend change. This might have been last week. I don't remember whether I updated this week or last week. But T Rowe increased theirs to 304 and gave me an 8.57% increase. And I believe that was last week because nothing's changed this week on here, and I did update this. So nothing's changed here. It's producing $10.13 a year, or 84 cents a month, giving us a 4.5% dividend yield. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry guys, like I said, quick, easy, boring, but no changes in the no debt portfolio. See you in the next update. All right guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.